Hello, welcome back. Today let's try to solve another Leetcode problem, 1759, called number of homogeneous substrings. So for this problem, the homogeneous just means all characters of string that are same, and the substring is a contiguous sequence of the characters within a string. It means, for example, this CCC is contiguous. And for this BB, it's also contiguous, and they are the same characters. So for this, we're gonna call it homogeneous string. So we're gonna need to count how many of them. So in total, there are 13. So normally for this kind of a problem, it is a list groups problem. For example, we're gonna list how many A's, and for B and B, we're gonna count how many B's, and for this CCC, we're gonna count how many C's. Why it is made by a medium problem? Normally, such kind of problem should be easy problem, only because we are giving we need to return a modular. So 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. For this one, you need to take care. If you forget, yeah, it will be wrong. And for another case is you need to count like numbers 3, 3, 3. If you have 3 consecutive threes, you need to count how many of them. Normally for this one, it is 1 plus 2 plus 3 for the formula. You need to get familiar with it. Basically, this is just high school mathematics knowledge. And because there are unique 3, so when you count unique 3, there are 3. When you count consecutive 3, 3 and 3, there are 2. And then you count 3, 3, 3, there's only 1. So this is why 1 plus 2 plus 3. Yeah. And you also need to know the formula. 1 plus 2 plus 3 until plus 2n, it should be equal to. Let me write something more. Until plus n, you need to get familiar with the high school mathematics formula. So it should be n times n plus 1 divided by 2. Yeah, basically this is just it's not so difficult. Now let me start my coding. So let me write the template. So for the result, it's just a number, so it's a counter, and I'm going to prepare I pointer and a number n. So n is the length of the string. So the result, as I said, is counter. It will be start from 0, and index will start from 0, and n is the length of the string. Now I'm going to use the template while loop. So while I less than n, yeah, it's really slow. Let me wait for a few seconds. Yeah, it's really slow. So this is the outer while loop. Now I'm going to prepare a start should equal to I, and then the inner loop should be I less than n minus 1, and nums I, it's s, it's not nums, so the si equal to si plus 1. If that is true, I'm going to shift the I by 1. Now I'm going to count the length of the consecutive numbers. So C should equal to I minus start plus 1. Now I'm going to count to the result. So it will be in this formula. So it will be C times C plus 1 divided by 2. After that, I'm going to update my I to the right side by 1 place. Now I'm going to return the result. Now let me submit it to check if it really works. Yeah, this is because, as I said, there's a modular. So the result should be modular my mod. So the mod will be this number, will be 10 to the power of 9 plus 7. So in Leetcode, the modular is always this number. So it should be plus 7. Now let me submit it again to check if it can pass all the testing cases. Yeah, let's just wait for a few seconds. And by the way, the time complexity is just ON. Even here, we used some calculations, but basically it is just O1. Strictly speaking, it may be O3 or O4 for the times. For the plus, it is O1, but it is still O1 for the calculation. And here, even we have two while loop. Basically, the I just loops through just for the I is shifted from 0 to n minus 1, and the start is just a record. As you can see, it passed, and it's pretty fast. Thank you for watching. If you think this is helpful, please like and subscribe. I will upload more Leetcode problems like this. See you next time.